If you look at these clouds and take it for an artistic study, you'll see that the clouds in the distance are smaller, thinner and closer together, as opposed to these straight above. Now, if you're painting these, the best way to explain how to paint them is if you look at your hand, straight up, we're looking underneath the clouds, okay, like that. Now as I move my hand like this, it's like the clouds. You start seeing the sides and eventually they become like that. And that's the distant ones there. So underneath, partly to the side and to the distance, thin and like that, one in front of the other. You're looking over Keighley and Howarth here.